Looking for top-notch lawn care and landscaping services around Detroit Lakes, Cormorant, Frazee, Lake Park, and Audubon? Miller Yard Care and Construction has got you covered. Whether you need lawn maintenance, expert tree trimming, or a reliable irrigation system setup, our team is ready to help transform your space. We're also your go-to for snow removal when winter rolls in. Plus, we specialize in emerald ash borer management. For all your outdoor needs, give us a call today to find out how we can help make your yard amazing.